Good morning, friends. So today I'm going to teach you one of my favorite art projects from when I was a kid called the Zentangle. Now, the first step to any good Zentangle is to take a dark colored marker or crayon. I decided to use a crayon today. And to make all these crazy loops. So you're going to do lots of curvy lines like a roller coaster. Woo! We go up and down and around. And then I closed my shape right there. You can kind of see. And now, in my big loop-de-line mess, I have a bunch of small shapes. I've got a shape here and here and here and here all over my paper. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to color in those shapes. But there's one rule. Wherever the color touches, you can't let that same color touch. So, can I put purple here? Well, I've got purple here, and that would be touching. So I think I'm going to choose maybe some orange. So I'm going to color that in. Maybe I'll do this shape instead. Can I put orange here? Well, there's only blue and purple and no orange, so I think I can. And I'm just gonna scribble, 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 scribble. I'm not coloring it in as nicely as I did before, but that's okay. It still looks nice. So there's my orange. Now, what color can I put here? Well, I've got orange, and I can't have the same color touching, so I think I'll use my lovely green. And I'll go scribble, 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 just like that. Now I've got 4 lovely colors. That green is not very easy to see, but it's there. Maybe I'll color it in a little bit darker. There we go. Now, I would like to use my purple again. Can I put it here? Well, it's already there. Can't put it there. What about here? Well, these two shapes are touching, and my only rule is that I can't have the same color touching in 2 different shapes, so I can't put it there. Can I put it here? Those kind of look pretty close, so I think I'm going to be safe, and I'm going to put it here. And I'm just going to do that. And there's my second purple. And it's not touching another purple. Now, you get to do this, and it's going to turn into this lovely photo. And did you notice? Look, my purple is not touching any other purples. My orange is not touching any other orange. And there you have it. One last thing before we go. I encourage you to get super creative with your roller coaster making. So, let's make one together. Are you ready? I'm gonna take my super dark crayon, not a marker, silly me. And I'm gonna start at the top, and I'm gonna get crazy. Woo! Going down and up and down and around and across, and I'm just making as many shapes as I can. Oh, it got super crazy, but that's okay. And then I'm gonna close my shape. Whoop. Can't forget that step. So please go ahead and get super crazy with it. And then, don't forget, follow that #1 rule, using different colors all over your paper, and you're gonna have a beautiful Zentangle at the very end. I hope you enjoyed the video today, and I hope you go out there and make some beautiful Zentangles. Bye, friends.